Okay, well, quick video here to just show you guys not all Sharpies are created equal. You might think I'm talking about color, but take note of one other pretty key detail here. Why the helk, when to try to watch my language there, why the heck can't Sharpie treat the Silver Sharpie equal? You know, you got this orange Sharpie and their Black Sharpie brothers, you know, hanging low like a horse. And, Silver Sharpie must be a freaking female. They need to give the Silver Sharpie a goddamn pen clip thingamajigger because it just took me 10 minutes to find Silver Sharpie. They generally have homes, but the best place for them is to clip them right to the toolbox, like everything else right there. We like to clip our Black Sharpie and Orange Sharpie over there. Why does the Silver Sharpie not have the ability to do that? So if anyone has any ideas why Sharpie had to discriminate on their Silver Sharpie, please leave a description down below. Or if there's no such thing as a pen clipped Silver Sharpie, any other guys have a silver marker that's pen clip ready? As Sharpie is not silver happy. Peace.